Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. For today's video, I will show you how we add another account on Snapchat. So first things first, let's go to our Snapchat. And from there, let's go to our profile. And then scroll all the way down. Now log out your account. Now from there, if you have already another account, just click the login option and enter your email and then your password. But if you want to create another account, you can just simply click the sign up option and then create another account. Now once you're done, just log out again your account. And now as you can see, we already have multiple accounts in our Snapchat app. And then that's it. If this video helps you, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.